Comparing alternatives to the KitchenAid Stand Mixer. When considering alternatives to the KitchenAid Stand Mixer, two notable competitors are the Cuisinart Precision Master Stand Mixer and the Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. Here's a comparison highlighting the pros and cons of each. Powerful motor. Equipped with a 500-watt motor, the Cuisinart Precision Master can handle dense doughs and large batches with ease. Multiple speed options. It offers 12 speed settings, providing versatility for various mixing tasks, from gentle folding to vigorous whipping. Durable construction. The die-cast metal construction ensures longevity and stability during operation. Large capacity. With a 5.5-quart stainless steel bowl, it accommodates large recipes, making it suitable for families and avid bakers. Attachment compatibility. The mixer includes a power hub for additional attachments, enhancing its functionality beyond mixing. Attachment reach. Some users report that attachments may not reach the bottom of the bowl, requiring manual scraping to ensure even mixing. Weight. Weighing approximately 21 pounds, it may be cumbersome for some users to move or store. Affordable price point. This mixer is budget-friendly, making it accessible for those seeking a cost-effective alternative to higher-end models. Planetary mixing action. It features planetary mixing, ensuring thorough ingredient incorporation similar to more expensive mixers. Compact and lightweight. Its smaller footprint and lighter weight make it suitable for kitchens with limited space and for easy storage. User-friendly design. The tilt head design allows easy access to the bowl and attachments, simplifying the addition of ingredients and cleaning. Less powerful motor. With a 300-watt motor, it may struggle with very dense doughs or large batches, potentially limiting its versatility for heavy-duty baking tasks. Smaller bowl capacity. The 4-quart bowl is smaller compared to some competitors, which may be a limitation for those preparing larger recipes. Durability concerns. Some components are made of plastic, which may affect the mixer's longevity and its ability to handle more demanding tasks over time. In summary, the Cuisinart Precision Master Stand Mixer offers a powerful motor, multiple speed settings, and a large capacity, making it suitable for serious bakers. However, its weight and potential attachment reach issues are considerations. The Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer provides an affordable and compact option with user-friendly features, but may not be ideal for heavy-duty tasks due to its less powerful motor and smaller bowl capacity. Your choice should align with your specific baking needs, kitchen space, and budget.